Good evening. Right now it's about 5:33 and today's 29th of December 2020. How are you guys doing? How was your trading today? So I just want to show you, this is my channel, and before I go on anywhere, I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst. I'm a chief mentor and founder at StockPro, and I'm partners with Zerodha, Upstocks, Wise, and Asta Trade. So this is my channel with the name Stock Pro Official, and I just want to show you the trades that we have done today. And the trades that we did today were Infi, IGL, TechM, and Ramco Cement. Ramco Cement, our stock loss was hit, but Infi, IGL, and Tech Mahindra gave a very good movement. Right, these were my trades on futures. Then I have also given the cash trades. I've given Infi, TechM, IGL, Ajmera Reality, 3.4 points were achieved. PTC, 1.2 points were achieved. I just want to tell you how nice it is, if you select a stock like PTC. Let's say we select a stock called PTC. We selected a buy in this at about somewhere here, right, at 59, and from 59 it went up to straight 660 plus some rupees. I just want to show you, if you want to buy PTC, what you need intraday is just 5 rupees. So if you want to trade in 1,000 stocks, just have a look. 10,000 stocks require only 52,000 rupees, and if you want to trade in 1,000 stocks, you just need about 5,000 rupees. Just 5,000 rupees to trade into this particular stock, right? And 1 point move in 1,000 stock means you are getting 1,000 rupees. That's the beauty of this. That's the beauty of the finding intraday good breakout stocks, right? So anyway, let me show you my Telegram channel, how people are. I have given one stock. I've given two stocks rather. And you guys have, see, people have made money. 140 people voted that we've made money in IGL and Ajmera. So I just want to show you how IGL moved. IGL just moved in a single direction since morning. See here, this is how it was moving. Entire day it was moving in this single direction, which is up, up and up. I also traded into this and made good about 11,000 rupees, right? And my stop loss got hit in star, but I made money in PTC. I made money in IGL. Yeah. So let me just get you back here, and what I want to discuss with you people is just be here. You get free stocks. My only and only intention is that people should be. This is a very refined research. Nobody does this kind of research. I have given a buy at Borosil at 227. Then I said no. You got to enter it earlier, right? We entered into at 225, and have a look at Borosil, how it moved. It just moved up in a single direction and hit the upper circuit. So see here, this is how Borosil moved. We entered somewhere here, 225 here at this place, and from here it just went up to the straight away into the upper circuit, right? It just straight away went into this upper circuit. So here we entered, and this is what we got, right? So yeah, so I really want you all to make money along with us, and I really want you also learn about stock market. So this is my channel. I just wanted to read you out one message somebody has written. He's written, "Good morning, madam. Recently I'm joining in your conduct course. Bhavneet sir explained very well everything, and your staff was resolving problem very fast. I'm so proud to join your under your coaching. Before I joined many classes, but I wasn't satisfied, and with them I made losses in the stock market. And then he decided to close all his stock market related trials, and he said, I joined because my friend suggested your classes, and after joining your classes my confidence levels increased very much, right? All credit goes to you. Thank you very much. So I'm so happy that you guys, people are taking that bold step and learning about the stock market. So here I am once again. These are the stocks that I gave yesterday: Divis, Ibul Housing, HDFC, ISEC, CDSL, and Engineers India. I am again, back with about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stocks I have in cash, which I'm going to give you on my Twitter handle. You can follow it here. And I'm going to discuss these 4 stocks in futures, right? So I'm just going to add indicator, which is RSI. And just for my reference, I basically find, connecting my dots together and then taking a trade based on my understanding. So this is, the 4 stocks that I have in cash for you guys. The first trade that I have is in fee, right? But where are we going to buy it in cash? We're going to buy it above 1260, right? Look at the candle that has formed today. It is open equal to low, and it is almost engulfing the previous 3 days trading, right? So that's a very promising move in fee had today. So we're going to buy it above 1260. Then comes the Eicher Motors, right? Eicher Motor has broken the trend, right? And if you notice one more thing, like these are all what I'm teaching or telling you here are basically the points that you need to ponder over and learn, right? Price is slowly shifting in the upward direction, right? But each candle price is shifting in the upward direction. So if a breakout comes above this place, right after this place, which is 2505, you can definitely expect a good move up, at least 50-60 points in intraday. But please remember, gap up or gap down opening you have to avoid. So this is 𝐈𝐵L housing, which I gave yesterday also, and today also it looks very promising to me. Why? Because look at the price rejection at the lower levels, right? If you go to the 1 hour time frame, you will see that the stock was not allowed to go below this level, which is 210, right? It bounced back from there. So that means there are buyers sitting at this place in this particular stock, right? Somewhere here the buyers are pretty aggressive, right? Yesterday also they pushed up the stock, and today also they didn't allow the price to stay below 211, 212, right? So crossing above this particular price, which is 220.55 or 221, we can definitely expect a really good move in 𝐈𝐵L housing. This I gave yesterday, but as gap up opening happened, we can ignore the stock. Only we will buy the stock which happens, which do not open gap up, right? And the last stock that I have on my radar is Tech Mahindra. So Tech Mahindra is this candle is a very, very strongly powerful candle. Look at the volumes that have come, and with volumes it has broken these 3 candles, 3 past candles. So above today's high, we definitely have an opportunity to enter into it. 3970 is where we can take an entry in Tech Mahindra, right? So I just want to have a look at the history in the past. If there is something happening at this price, no. So this is going to be lifetime high, right? So if you have the holding capacity for a month or two, you can definitely look for at least 10% return, and that to be in the future. It's a future stock. So in case somebody want to buy, they can buy a far off contract. And then of course, as I've always been telling you, you need to hedge your position, because market will go up, market will go down. It is going to have various movement, but yeah, you got to be careful. So my 4 stocks are Infi, Eicher Motors, 𝐈𝐵L Housing, and Tech Mahindra. And before I close, I quickly will tell you, I also have this stock, the MCX on my radar. Once again, buy above 1780. Engineers India is also looking very, very good to me. We can definitely buy above today's high. Then Adani Gas is also looking extremely good to me, above 382 or 383. We can take an entry. Lal Path Lab, I've already given it many times, but it looks so promising. The day breakout will come, it'll be huge and massive. Something like this breakout I'm expecting very soon. And then we have Saregamapa. This is my last cash stock, but you will find all of them out here on my Twitter handle. So just come back here and you will find all these 5 stocks over there. And these 4 I have discussed here: Infi, Eicher Motors, 𝐈𝐵L Housing, and Tech Mahindra. These are FNO stocks, and Tech Mahindra now I'm expecting at least a 10% return, because it's broken all the boundaries. At least from here it's 1050 or 1100 is what I'm expecting, but in a span of about 2 to 3 months, right? So take care, bye bye, see you soon somewhere, maybe on my Telegram channel, maybe on my YouTube channel, maybe on my Twitter handle, but just follow me and make money. That's the only underlying underlying note that I have for you people. Take care. Bye bye. See you.